Two turnovers, 4 points.
Turnover, layup, turnover, layup, turnover, layup. Play simple, guys. Play simple. Play simple.
If Hernán Gómez receives the ball, foul. If Hernán Gómez receives the ball, foul. They're scoring. We play zone. Hey, no, here, nothing big. This guy alone. Shoot back, shoot alone. What are you thinking, guys?
Don't disconnect. There is a bunch of gang in front of us. We are giving up. We are walking. We are not fighting.
And against this kind of team, we have to play harder than ever. Harder, guys.
Play aggressive in the red, the same time to Rodríguez here. Don't stay on the 3-point line. Stay at him. How he shoot.
5 minutos, un partido de 5 minutos ahora. Vamos a resolverlo bien. Penetrate, stop, contra, watch out! Defense zone. No defense zone. No, there. But they have bonus, One thing. We begin, high screen, zone, but it's not zone, okay?
Now we are not interested on running. We are interested on rebounding on defense. It's not over. 1 minute 23 is a lot here.